Hey, good morning, guys. This is Kendall with Savera Wood Floor Refinishing. So, guys, we are working out of Jackson Heights, Queens today. This is a real special. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys what we're working. So these are the floors. So as you see, there's a lot of color mixing here. So we're gonna put these colors back. We're gonna put the color back into the floor. We also have the second floor that we're doing. So we're gonna start off with this area first, screening this down and buffing in the color. All these areas here is gonna look really, really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna continue going. I'll show you guys what we're doing. This is our restain and this is our 1-day restain and recoat process. Guys, this is Kendall with Savera Wood Floor Refinishing. So guys, we are working on the job I spoke about earlier. This job is being done in Jackson Heights, Queens. House was built in 1930, and the client wanted the floors restored. They did not want the floors sanded. They said, Kendall, we want the floors to maintain all this characteristic. We just want it to look really nice. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what we do. So this is what we call our restain and our 1-day restain and recoat system. So as you see, all this is sanded down, and as you see, we're bringing color back to the floor already. Okay, look how nice that's looking already. All right. So I'm going to add the stain color back to these floors, and once these floors are finished, the stain is dry, we're going to go ahead and apply our finish. Okay. So let's get a little side view. How we adding the color back, and this floor is going to be restored. It's going to look really, really great once we're done. Okay, guys, so what we're doing here now is we're putting on the polyurethane. Okay, it's giving this floor really, really nice look. Oh, look at that, guys. Okay. Wow. Look at that. It's looking really, really nice. Beautiful. Beautiful restoration for 1930 floor. Okay, guys, this is the second floor of our 1930 Hardwood floors that we are restoring. As I said, this is not a sanding job. The client wants to keep all the original features of the floor. Just make it look nice. Bring some, make it pop, bring some light back to it. So I'm gonna start the staining process for this floor. Okay, you're gonna see how beautiful this is gonna look. Hey guys, so this is one of the great services that we do. As I said, this is what we call our 1-day restain recoat process. We also can run the UV machine with this process. So if we did the prep, add the color, restain the floor, and then we put the rare coat, we can actually UV these floors. And just think about it, in 1 day, and you can put all your furniture back the same day once we finish the process. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going, and I'll take some more photos and videos, and I'll show you guys how beautiful these floors are. Hey guys, this is Kendall with Savera Wood Floor Refinishing. So guys, we finished this project we started today. This project was a restain and recoat. Like I said, the client did not want to have floor sanded. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how these floors. Look at this, guys. Okay, these floors came out absolutely beautiful. Right, these are all the bad areas that we had. Okay, all blended really nicely. And this was one of the main area of concern. Okay, this area right here was really, really missing a lot of color. And as you see, everything is blended really nicely. So yeah, this floor came out really, really nice. Okay, so this process, as I said, is our screening. This process is our restain and recoat process. So if you have a home built, let's say in the, this house was built in the 1930s. So, you know, I mean, Brooklyn and Queens, we have a lot of homes that's built in the 1930s and 40s. You have hardwood floors. Some of these floors may not be able to be sanded again. So one of the things that we do is restore these floors without sanding them. If they don't have stain, we can do the same process. If the floor has stain, we could restain or rematch the stain, restain the floors, and then add the finish back to the floors. Okay, guys? So until the next one.